Hi guys, welcome back. I have just received this amazing bag from WildHog for my street bob, and I want to share with you because I think that it's a good choice. So I hope that you enjoy. The line is very simple, I have to say, and I have also the quick release accessory that I want to put it, and we will see the final result. But looking at the bag as an interesting whole black connection here, and I have to say that also the release is pretty simple, really pretty simple. So it's an important thing that you don't have to work too much to open it, and there is a lot of space inside, as you can see. So yeah, for me it's really a good choice. So come with me in the garage and let's install it.